guys, welcome back to the channel. We're at a Mustang birthday event, and right now we got all the generations from S550 Gen 2, at least S550, Gen 2 S197, Gen 1 S197, and then of course my 2-valve SN95 New Edge. That's how we start off the video. Generational. Looking at an all beautiful white 5.0 Mishimoto overflow. My buddy's Nick's Roush. Yes, sir.
Just like on the record, we did it just right.
Beautiful Roush. C7 Z06 at a Ford Mustang birthday event, but it is here. Today's gonna be a short video, guys. It's not too many things here. It's not too crazy. Blue 5.0. It's a nice blue color. Shelby GT500. Predator engine. Beautiful red, like a dark red. I don't know what the red is called, but that's a nice red 5.0. Duck spoiler. Convertible. This one 97 3-valve. What?
Why did he approach him?
650 5.0. Shelby GT350. Take a little peeky peek. '20 Roush Mustang.
Oh shit, they signed it.
Roush always signs it. This thing's a nice color.
It's a gorgeous color.
Rare little gem, Ford Lightning. What's up? Where?
It gets a little colder every day.
It's kind of funky.
That looks fun.
It looks like a death trap, but yeah.
Nah, that looks fun.
Damn. This thing's wild.
Dude, I might have to get a steering wheel like that for the car. That thing's kind of awesome. I was scrolling through Amazon one day and I'm like, yeah, that's cool.
Shelby Cobra. The 427. Sir, it's a Thunderbird.
Gorgeous car.
Take it out of here.
So we're at a Mustang birthday event, but for some apparent reason,
Man, shut your bitch ass
there's a
up.
crap ton
Don't be hating.
of Camaros, Corvettes.
My friend,
Hate on a vet.
my friend broke his ankle and he has a manual Camaro. He don't need me to drive it. So I shot it for
Bad.
him.
So bad.
On the
Why don't
left.
sound so good right now?
Still trying to figure out
I'm gonna go crazy.
how it's a Mustang birthday event, but people rolling up in Camaros. And I fuck it.
Carbon fiber steering wheel on a Gen 3.
That's on the wrong car.
Yeah, that is on the wrong car.
Hey,
Hold up.
hey guys,
Hey,
that's,
hold
that's
up.
on the wrong car.
Oh yeah, that's the coolant reservoir. That's sweet.
Guys, read what that says.
Feel that bro's coolant reservoir. Something tells me they're from Florida.
Now you see what I'm talking about.
Oh, what's this? Wait.
A lot of like carbon fiber all over it.
Chevy S10. Sir. Oh yeah, you see, that's nice. Seen this guy before. Pro charged 5.0. Probably making at least 6, 7 at least to the wheel.
Look how much space you got in. So nice.
This will be a good race between him and I. Skyline. Sir.
Oh, this is the guy with the GTR and his wife does OnlyFans.
Is it?
Yeah.
His wife does OnlyFans. That's crazy. He uses his wife's OnlyFans money, is what you're trying to tell me? And that's about it in terms of cars that are here. You know what he just told me? Louisville 5.0. Look at the size of that intercooler. Oh, I see a turd skis, I think.
Look at those. Oh my god. Those rotors look cool.
Oh, that's cool.
Nice happening.
Bless you.